Now, what is the right? Next exercise concept homogeneous differential equation HDE. Homogeneous differential equation. The question is of the form dy by dx equal to in terms of g of x by y or g of y by x is a homogeneous differential equation. Already you know homogeneous is what is the meaning? The power will be equal to replace x by dx, y by dy after simplification, the same equation will come. One more, p for something extra will come. Same thing will come, but extra p for something will come. P for 0 or p for negative, p for positive, whatever may be. That means what? Very simple concept. Difference dy is equal to x, y equal, you know. The power will, all the power will equal, that is called homogeneous differential equation. Am I right? This idea. If it is a homogeneous differential equation, you will follow one method. One method is that the question dy is equal to something mean put y equal to x. In the name of substitution method, put y equal to x. After differentiation, dy is equal to b into differential x is 1 uniform plus x into differential b is what? d by dx. If some y is bx, if some y is bx, if some dy is equal to b plus x d by dx. After where we want only x and b, then arrange b will one side, x will one side. After integrate with respect to x and integrate with b, we get the answer involving b and x. Once again, replace b value. The b value is what? Y by x. Am I right? Now automatically answer involving x and y answer. The questions are involving x and y. Our substitution method is what? Put y equal to bx. In some y, you will put bx. After differentiation, b plus x into b by x will come. In some y equal to bx. In some dy by dx equal to b plus x into b by x. After that, we will get the equation involving only b and x. B arrange b one side, x on this is called variable separable. Variable separable. B one side, x one side. Now by using that idea, we get the answer. Next over with answer, we get the answer involving b and x. Once I replace the b value, b value is what? Y by x, that is the answer. Suppose the question is about dx by dy. Question is about dx by dy to something. This is a homogeneous equation. Dx equal to dy, same thing, ulta. Y equal to dx, x equal to dy. If so, the x differentiation of x plus y means dx by dy equal to b into uniform, b into y is 1 equal to b plus y into this b with respect to y is what? dv by dy. Now substitute the value for x equal to by. If so, dx by dy is this one. After we get the variable involving only b and y. Separate the b variable and y variable. After integration, what is the b involving? Replace the b value is what? X by y, that is the answer. Usually, the previous exercise, this exercise, all exercise simple questions what? Simply solved. You must identify this particular problem is a homogeneous differential equation. That's why we use this formula. Very important. Previous says that we want separate the variable. Now integration is possible, but the same of the problem. The variables are not separate form. After putting the substitution only, the variables are separated. That's very important. This is the idea of this exercise. Unit 10.5 exercise, we have 8 problems. Question number 10.6, we have 8 problems. I will do all the 8 problems. We got 5%. Now exercise 10.6, solve the following differential equation. This is given. Now given x plus y into cos of y by x into dx. You want x into cos of y by x into dy. We want dy by dx. Am I right? Am I right? Cos y by x. What is it? X plus y into cos of y by x divided by x into cos of y by x. Am I right? This is one. Now the question is about dy by dx is something. Very well, whether it is homogeneous or not, that is simple concept. Replace x by dx. ty, ty, tx, ty, tx, tx. After t is common, all will be cancelled. The same terminal. That is the formula. What is the t power? T is common here. The inside of bracket t and ty, dx, ty, dx, t be cancelled. Inside bracket t will not come. Here dx, ty, here dx. But t common name, x plus y is something. T cancelled. All will be cancelled. Very simple concept. All the bits are power equal. It's a homogeneous concept. That's why it is here. It is a homogeneous equation. That's why y equal to dx, comma dy by dx equal to v plus x dx. This is the formula for homogeneous equation. Mind it. Now instead of the dy by dx is no, v plus x dx. Am I right? Instead of dy by dx, substitute this value equal to x only plus y is what? Dx. Cos of y is what? Vx by x, x is cancelled. Remember here, x into cos of Vx by x, x is cancelled. Okay? You knew what x is common. 1 plus v into cos v. Denominator x into cos v. Inside, all x will be cancelled. Right? All x will be always. Right hand side, with x square common means, denominator x square is cancelled. With x is common means, x square outside x will be cancelled. Here only d will be important. Now x into dv by dx is equal to, after cancellation, what is that? 1 plus v into cos v divided by cos v. Here the letter only is no. This v comes as minus v. You know what I mean? Now take easier. Cos v, no cos v is cos v 1 plus v into cos v. Cos v minus v into cos v. This will cancel. Come again. 1 by cos v. Now only separate the variable. That is what? Yeah, only b and x is not known. B one side, x one side. But dv only there. The 1 by cos v. Cos v, here cos v will come. Here dx up, then this x is down. Come again. Now this is that. Negation of cos v d. Negation of dx by x. Come again. Now, next of cos is what? Only sin b equal to next of dx is what? Log x. Another equal to log incoming log c. Here without log what is it? The last step is very important. B is what? Our assumption is what? Put y equal to dx. D equal to what? Y by x. Another? This is the answer. That's all. Now second question, solve. This is given. Now what are you doing now? X square power 3 plus power 3. X square y 2 here 1 power 2 power 3. For all the very power 3, it is a homogeneous differential equation. From the questions you must understand everything. We are d plus t x is what? Tx, t cube x cube. Here t cube y cube. Here t square x square. Ty multiply t cube will come. Am I correct? All the t cube will come outside the same dividend. That's why this is a homogeneous. Anyway, find d1 dx equal to x square y dx. Cross product dy by dx equal to x square y by x cube plus y cube ready to 1. Am I correct? Now it is a homogeneous differential equation. That's why put y equal to dx, comma dy by dx is equal to b plus x divided by x. This is the formula. Put y equal to x. After differentiation, this is formula. This will come. Am I right? Now what becomes? Instead of dy by x what? b plus x divided by dx. If I can say x square, y is what? Dx. x cube, here dx whole cube. Now multiply x cube b, here x cube plus b cube x cube. Now x cube is common. Am I right? Only b here. Here also common. 1 plus b cube. 120 no. If I write it after substituting everything, definitely If you divide by x square means denominator also x square is there, definitely cancel. X cube x cancel. Now only b1 is there. b by 1 plus b cube 1 is there. Left hand side, here b is equal to this b comes the same minus b, no one is 1. Take LCM 1 plus b. Cross multiply 1 into b minus b into 1 plus b cube. Multiply b minus b power 4 1 plus b cube. Oh my god, cancel. Now minus b power 4 by 1 by b cube creates the dv by dx. Now by using variable separate idea, b one side 1 plus b cube by b power 4 minus dx by a. Here minus always come here. That will be easy for you. We have only one term minus easy for you. But if cross here minus me, 2 terms are minus 1. Some confusion will come. To avoid confusion, keep the minus sign with the right hand side only. Now you want to integrate this one. Left hand side, you want to integrate with respect to b. Right hand side, you want to integrate with respect to x. We get the answer. Now this is not integral form. That's why it's going to have 1 by b power 4, b power 3 by b power 4. Am I correct? Into dv already is dv here minus dx. Now cancel. Now you make 1 by b power 4 can have b power minus 4 dv. After cancel 1 by b dv. The minus dx by 1 by x into dx. Now integration this one b power minus 4 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by minus 3. This integration. Now 1 by b, that is log of b. The minus log of x plus only c. Yeah. Here log, here no log. That's only c. You want to arrange only positive and negative. Now the minus log x comes inside plus log x plus only log b is there. You could see is there. This one minus 1 comes in plus. What is the answer? 1 by 3 b cube. Am I correct? The answer is 3. b power minus 3 come down. 3 into b power 3 minus that plus plus. Log of x into 3 equal to c plus 1 by 3 into b cube. Now log of b is what? Already know. The question brought x away only. When we answer b important, we don't want b. The b value for b is y by x. Put y equal to bx. But b equal to what? Y by x. But you base b by y by x. Here c plus 3 into 3, sorry, 1 by 3 into b is what? Y by x. Y cube by x cube. Now cancel. Log y is equal to c plus x cube plus 3. X cube by 3 by cube. We now put what? Log. E for log of y equal to e power c plus x cube by 3y cube. E power cancel by y. This can be e power c into e power x cube by 3y cube. Already told you the e power c log c 1 by c 2 c 3 c. These are only c. But c into e power x cube by 3y cube. This is the answer. Or simplification only. Integral is very simple. Am I correct? 1 by b not b. 1 by b power 4 formula. But this can be e power minus 4. It is something x power n. X power n dx. What is the formula? X power. The power will be added by 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1. If e power minus 4 is there. E power minus 4 plus 1. That is minus 3 by minus 3. This is idea. After simplification. Am I correct? Questions are, I didn't know the question. These are the part homogeneous because of all already equal. We have only 8%. Second question over. All the same only. Now third question. Y into e for x y by dx equal to x into e for x y plus y into dy is the question. Here y is the power 1, x is the power 1. Here also y is power 1. All power equal. Because e power x by y, repeat the x by dx, dy the same thing. Cancel. But the power did not matter. That is not dependent. But here y power 1, x power 1, y power 1. This is a common concept. And also here, usually y equal to dx means substitute e power x by dx. Please be no cancel. So e power 1 by b. That's why the e power 1 by b. We don't know in the form. E power b in the form is e power b. Differences are also e power b becomes e power b. But the e power 1 by b no in the formula. That's why I want to substitute the value. Change the value. X equal to dy. What is the name? E power x is what? Dy. Remember y is y. Cancel. E power b. Now either is easy, either is easy. That's why this particular question you will find second format. The question is of the form dy by dx means put y equal to dx. What next format? The question is of the form dx by dy means put x equal to dy. Second idea. Then only easy value. In this way you want to guess the idea. That's very important. This particular question I am not finding dy by dx. I am finding dx by dy. Am I right? Ready to one. It is a homogeneous differential equation. That's why put x equal to dy, comma, then dx by dy equal to d into y is 1, y into dv by dy. This is the form. What becomes instead of dx by dy is what? This one. d plus y into dv by dy. In right hand side, x is only e power. Already told you in therefore x is what? dy by y. Cancel no? 1 equal to b. Am I correct? What is this hand? X by y equal to b. Am I correct? X to dy. X by y to b. That's why that will be plus here. Y is what? Sorry, x only dy. Here e equal to b. Already y. Here y into e power b. Correct? Now y is common. V into e power b plus 1. Here y into e power b cancel. But now all the y will be cancelled. Now y into dv by dy is equal to v into e power b plus 1 by e power b. This b comes as minus b. No, minus. Take LCM. E power b is LCM. Now b power b plus 1 minus cross between b and e power b. This will be cancelled. Alright? 1 by e power b. Left hand side y into dv by dy is there. Now cross between where is the method? The e power b dv here, the dy by y here. Now what do you get? E power b dv 1 by y dv. Am I right? Integration of e power b to e power b only. 1 by y, integration 1 by y is what? Log y plus c. But b is what? X by y. Alright? X by y. This is the answer. This is the answer. E power x by equal to e power x by y equal to log y plus c. That is the answer. Now listen here. Fourth question. Solve in x into y dx dy. D square will come. D square x square. D square will come. D square will come. All the main value power equal. That's why homogeneous function. Now 2x y dy equal to dx root minus of x square plus 2y square dy. From this you will find either dy by dx or dx by dy. Not a matter. From this equation you will find dy by dx. You will find dy by dx means put y equal to dx. You will find dx by dy means put x to dy. Put x equal to dy. In this way you will substitute. That's all. You will do any one of them. But usually listen here. Cross product dx by dy equal to minus of x square plus 2y square divided by 2xy. Denominator is one term. Numerator 2 term or 3 term. Denominator only one term. Simply think as an easy value. That's why I am writing dx by dy. Suppose you find dy by dx means ulta will come. Denominator 2 terms will come. So then this happens. Am I right? The second question also, when by dt is formatted. Am I right? What is the second question? The second question is actually, what is the second question? Alright, second question is x cube plus y cube dy. This is the question, no? The question. I am finding dy by dx is equal to x square y by x cube by 2. It is a homogeneous method. Put y equal to dx. This is I want to solve. We can consider. But the same problem, let's put the reciprocal x cube plus y cube. Now x square y. This also homogeneous method. It is our dx method. No, x is equal to dy. In this way, you substitute somewhat simply easy for you. Again, with the problem, same problem, the form of dy. Suppose you do. Usually, after buying difference dy by dx or dx by dy, numerator 2 term 3 term, that is not a matter. Denominator only one term is the simplification for easy for you. Simplification easy for you. That's right. You find dy is successful. But in the format will come in denominator 2 term, you only one term. Product term only one term. Just simple things. Now we have only one term. Now simple easy for you. This problem, do yourself. Check the problem. But I did in the format dy by dx. But in this question, I do only dx by dy form. This is one. It is here. Homogeneous representation. Put x equal to dy, comma dx by dy equal to d plus y into dv by dy. What is that? X differentiate. X is differentiate because of y. Dx by dy. Use the formula. D into difference of y is what? Denominator. Y into the d difference of d because of y. Now what do we have? What I told you? The x is dy means x by y equal to d divided. Am I right? Now what do we have? Left hand side dx will be wrong. In some sort is d plus y into dv by dt. Minus x is what? dy. X square means d square y square. Right? Here 2y square. Here 2 into dy. 2. In numerator y square is common. What is it then? D square plus 2. By here 2 into d into y square. Everything cancelled. After cancellation, what is that? Minus d square plus 2 divided by only 2b. This b comes as minus b. 2b is here. Now cross over 1 into minus b square minus 2. Then minus 2b square. Okay? Now adding minus 3b square minus 4b. 2b. Minus is common. 3b square plus 2 by 2b. Now only variable separate method. dv already is there. The 2b here. Divided by 3b square minus 2 here. Plus 2 here. The minus already I told you. Right hand side. 3b. Alright. Now what I told you, the second problem will come in. Denominator variable. Numerator variable. Differentiation of the denominator equal to exact numerator means log of something is the formula. What is denominator? 3 into d square. 3 into d square is what? 2b. Difference of d square 2b. About 6b. We want 6b. But what is that? Only 2b is there. 6b means multiply because multiply by 3 and integrate. Am I right? 6b dv 3b square plus 2 integrate. Then minus 3 into dy by dy. Now this one log of 3b square plus 2 minus log of y. Log with log c. Okay? Now this one from the left side log of 3b square plus 2 plus 3 into log y equal to log c. Next step log of y cube. This is a follow. Log of 3b square plus 2. Now log only one log. 3 into b is what? X y z. X square by y square plus 2 into y cube plus log c. lambda cancel. Now y square is LCM. 3x square plus 2y square into y cube equal to c. This is cancelled. Alright? Y into 3x square plus 2y square equal to c is cancelled. What is simplification? Concept is very simple. The simplification only someone let me calculation. You do yourself. This is easy for you. 4%. The process starts. Is clear? Now I am trying to give away this way. Somewhat lengthy calculation come. It's also lengthy calculation, but you find dy dx somewhat extraordinary. Now we have 50%. Y square minus 3x dx. X square minus 3x dx. Now get two terms, here are two terms. That's why as usual you find dy by dx. dy here cross this. And what is that? Y square 2xy. Here is x square minus 3xy. Okay? This one. What I told you? Denominator only one term you will find. In terms of denominator one term. You can put two term, you can two term. You will find derivative. Now power 2, you have to come to the power 2. This is opposite. It is a homogeneous differential equation. Y equal to dy is now y dx comma dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. What is that? Y dx. Difference is now y with respect to x dy by dx. Uniform. D into x is 1 here, right? Plus x into the v with respect to x is 1 become inside dy by dx you will get. Alright? You put here y square is dx, v square is minus 2x into dx. Alright? Here x square minus 2x into dx. Now x square is common, v square. The x square common is 2v. The x square common 1 minus 2v. Alright? Cancel. The x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 2v is 1 minus 2v. The minus v comes in. All of the same method. Now 1 minus 2 is LCM. 1 minus 2 is LCM. Cross multiply v square minus 2v. Alright? 1 into minus v into cross multiply 1 minus 2. Into the minus, just put the bracket. Now multiply v square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square, right? By 1 minus 2v. Adding 3v square minus 3v by 1 minus 2v. 3 is common, v square minus 3v, 1 minus 2v. Right? Okay, next is the dv by dx. Correct? Now, where is the 1 minus 2v into dv by d square minus v equal to 3 into dx by x. Right? Now, this is a question you come in. What do you do? Denominator is 1 d square minus v. Difference is d square is what? 2v minus 1. What is that? 1 minus 2 is. That's why multiply minus 1 and divide by 8. Am I right? Multiply minus 1 by 1 is answer 2v minus 1 by d square minus v into dv. Am I right? Here minus 3 into 1 by x. Now integration is what? What I told you? The denominator is the differences of the denominator exactly equal to numerator. That's why log of denominator is a common. Minus 3 into log x is log c. Already told you. B is what? Y equal to dx. Okay? D equal to y dx. Y square, d square is y square by x square minus y by x. Here plus 3 into log x equal to log c. Once again LCM log of x square is LCM. Here what is that? Y square minus xy. Okay? Plus log of x power 3 equal to log c. This is the power. 3 log is become log is equal to log of only one log y square minus xy by x square into x cube. Okay? You log. The log cancel. This also cancel. Okay. Now what is answer? X here y is common now. Y minus x is equal to xy into y minus x, or otherwise xy into x minus y equal to minus 7 plus 6. That's right. Xy into y minus x, or xy x minus y equal to 0 also correct answer. That's it. Only simplification. We have only problem, x problem. I will do all in problem. Refer the example problem yourself. Now, sixth question. X in derivative is equal to y minus x in cos squared by x. If y would be here, then only y will what? Dx by x cancel. Cos of b, you know integrate. Cos of 1 by b, you don't know integrate. That's why you will find derivative. From this one, you will find always dy by here. This particular question, not possible to find dx by dy. Okay? It is a homogeneous equation. Y equal to dx, dy is equal to b plus x dx. Substitute that left hand side, this one. Right hand side is what? Dx minus x into cos squared dx case. Cancel. By x. Remember x is common. D minus cos squared d by x cancel. The x into dv by dx is equal to, or the cancel d minus cos squared d. The left hand side, you know, opposite minus d cancel. Minus cos squared d only there. Now, there you will subtract. Alright? dv by only cos squared d equal to minus dx. Now 1 by cos squared is what? Secant squared d minus dx base. Alright? Secant squared d is what? Tan b minus log x plus. Alright? Tan b is what? Y by x plus log x equal to this guy. That's simple concept. Alright? Maybe next one side. Ukan says, you want to eliminate? Eliminate log. Ukan says, without log is given. That means what? This is the right answer. Suppose you want to get the log means, when log x is equal to c minus tan of y by x. Taking exponential on both sides, equal c minus tan of y by x. E power to only x. Again, e power c into e power minus tan of y by x. Okay. Now, this term from the side, x into e power tan of y by x, e power c will be this answer. Up to this again. Okay. This is also we will do good one. Usually, you go log on both sides. It is log economy. Remove log on both sides. Maximum difference is remove log on both sides. That is the idea. This is the answer. Now 7% solve. Given the y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. In the final answer, put y equal to 0, x equal to 1 to find the way of c. To eliminate c, that's why it's very simple. That's all. Now what I put e power y by x is there. Put y equal to dx means y is what? Dx by x cancel e power v. Even as a e power v becomes e power v. Even as a v power v becomes e power v. Suppose put x equal to vy means e power 1 by v down. So this problem, the problem e power y by x is not mean put y equal to dx, then only we get the answer. Put y equal to dx means you will find dy by dx. For the question itself, you will guess. Now find dy by dx. 3 into e power x by y dy equal to minus 3 into e power y by 1 by x minus y dx. Alright? Second class multiply dy by dx is minus 3 into e power y by x minus y by x divided by 3 into e power y by x. This is the first question. It is a homogeneous differential equation. y equal to dx, dy by dx equal to b plus x into dv by dx. What is going on? Y by dx means y by x equal to b minus. Correct? That one began, the letter w is wrong. It's a w is this one. b plus x into dv by dx. Right hand side minus 3 into e power y by x. Y by x. 1 minus b. Correct? 1 plus 3 into e power b. All the x's are cancelled. Only one b. Now this becomes a x into dv by dx equal to minus 3 into e power b. 1 minus b divided by 1 plus e power 3 into e power e minus b. Now 1 plus 3 into e power is LCM. Last one 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 into e power b into 1 minus 3. Minus b is the last one 1 plus 3 into e power b. Now so we make minus 3 power 3 into e power b minus 1 plus 3 into e power b into 3 into e power b minus b here minus 3 into e power b divided by 1 plus 3 into e power b. This will cancel. Okay? Out of this two term minus is common, b minus plus 3 into e power b divided by 1 plus 3. Now we will start the dv always there. This one comes different side 1 plus e power 3b. Then b plus 3 e power b. Then minus dx by dx. Now we get 1 plus 3 into e power b by b plus 3 into e power b dv minus dx by dx. Now what is the denominator? b plus 3 into e power b. Difference is now b is 1. 3 into e power b become e power b. But differences of the denominator exactly equal to numerator. That's why log of denominator is the formula for this one. Minus log x plus log c. Am I right? The minus comes here. Here log of b is what? Y by x. Here 3 into e power y by x plus log x equal to log c. Am I right? Here log only one log x is LCM y plus 3x into e power y by x into x. Am I right? Equal log c. Log by cancel, x is cancel. After cancel y plus 3x into e power y by x equal to c. This is a solution actually, but the values are given now. Substitute the solution. When y equal to 0, x equal to this 0, 3 into 1, e power y 0, 1, c. So c equal to 3 into 1 into e power is what? 1 into e. 1 into e. Therefore, the solution is y plus 3x to e power y by x equal to 3 is the answer. Some values are given me. After finding the final answer, substitute x value, y value, find value, c. Once again, substitute c value, we get the answer. That is the answer. Now is it here? What is given? X square plus y square into dy. Xy into dx. Now what do you do? The two terms are only one term. That's why you will find dx and dy. Then only the single term coming in denominator. Right? This question. You will find dy by dx means xy numerator, x square plus y square denominator. But I find dx by dy. Denominator is only one term means integer is easy for you. Otherwise, it will be complicated. Now it is here homogeneous differential equation. Put x equal to dy, right? Now x by y equal to dy. Comma. Difference is now x with respect to y is equal to dx by dy equal to b into y with respect to y is 1, d naught by plus y into the v with respect to y is dv. Now what becomes? This is our dx by dy is what? D plus y into dv by dy. Right hand side x square d square x square y square. Here x is what? dy under y. Now numerator y square is common. V square plus 1. Here is what? V into y square cancel. Now y into dv by dy equal to after the cancellation v square plus 1 by v square. This becomes as minus v. No, this one. Now cross multiply 1 into v square plus 1 minus v into v square v square cancel. Okay? Only 1 by v square. Now cross multiply j is d into dv equal to dy by y. Now we have then dv equal to 1 by y dy. This is v square by 2. This is actually what? Log y plus c. 2 plus c again. No problem. I am putting in the plus. Am I right? Am I right? No problem. As usual, plus c. We want log y. What is that here? D square by 2 minus c. Now remove log opposite. E for log y equal to e power d square by 2 minus 1 minus c. E for log cancel only y. Here e power y is what? X by y. So d square means x square by y square. 1 by 2 into x square by y square into e power minus c. E power c, e power minus c also minus c. So c into e power 1 by 2 into x square plus y square. This is the answer. But what is given? What is given? Given that y of 1. This means x1 y1. This means. Substitute that 1 c into e power 1 by 2 into 1 by 1. Am I right? So c into e power 1 by 2 only. Cross multiply 1 by e power 1 by 2 equals c. C equal to e power minus 1 by 2. Substitute that y equal to c is what? E power minus 1 by 2 into e power minus 1 by 2 into x square by y square power. One more condition. What is given? Given y of x1 into t. That is what? X is x1, y is e. Right? Y is e. Right? E power minus 1 by 2. Then e power 1 by 2 x naught. Right? And x is x naught. X naught square divided by y is what? E. E square. Right? Now compare to that. Take log percent. Log percent. This can be e power cross multiply e power minus 1 side e power plus 1 by 2. Right? Right? Now e power 1 by 2 into x naught square by e square. Now this is 3 by 2 now. 3 by 2. Right? E power 1 and e power log. The power will be 100. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Right? E power 3 by 2. The e power 3 by 2 equal to e power 1 by 2 x naught square by e square. We don't want log, but e take log. Alright? Or otherwise, here remove your log position now. 3 is a remove a log position. For the third side, you are taking log position. Alright? Remove log position. Afterwards, take log position. Now take log position means e power 3 by 2 equal to log of e power, what is the answer? 1 by 2 x naught square e square. Log e cancel 1 by 2. Here log e cancel 1 by 2. Here x naught square and e square. Cross multiply 3 e square equal to x naught square. We want x naught. What is our thing? Find the value of x naught. X naught only asking. Of x naught equal to root 3 d is the answer. So what? Let me come here. Two conditions are given. Only solve asking me up to this is the answer. Give me answer this answer. But two conditions are given. By the first condition you find the c. Second one more condition is given. For the condition you write the x naught. This answer. Now anyway, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Very simple concept. All the power will be equal. Or otherwise Green's idea, Euler's theorem idea. Replace x by dx, y by dy. Automatically, all the t power something common dimension cancel. In this way, will come in homogeneous differential equation. And also, question is about dy by dx into y equal to dx. The question is about dx by dy into dx equal to dy. In this way, you will substitute and simplify. Anyway, this section completely over. 10 points is over. All examples are over. Remember the example problem.